Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be once again taking a look at some hair transformations. So here we have a bit of a mini chop. Looks like the stylist might be doing a bob. Ooh, wow. This is an absolutely gorgeous angled bob style. I really like the shape with this one. Lots of volume, lots of texture, very fashion forward look. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have a playful bob makeover. This one features some bangs going there in the front. Very nice. I also love this shape and texture with this one. And she is wearing that very popular mini bob trend that we're seeing floating around this season. Next up, we start off with this long waist length hair. She has a very pretty, like wavy, natural texture to her strands, very thick and full. Wow, gorgeous bob haircuts. This one features so much body and movement. Very nice. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. And she switches it up with this layered haircut. She also went ahead and dyed the hair more of a brunette color. Beautiful layers to frame out the face, including the curtain style bangs. Next up, we see someone else with hair just around their shoulders. And she also decided to switch it up with this classic bob haircut. Nice, simple, and chic polish style. And then we see someone with a blonde bob. So it looks like the stylist is just kind of trimming the hair and styling it. Beautiful classic blunt blonde bob. She looks gorgeous. Alright, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.